Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Master Math with Addy. So today we're just going to be talking about the introduction to coordinate geometry. So in this series, we'll be looking at different things in coordinate geometry. So we'll be looking at distance between 2 points, the midpoint, gradient, equation of a line, and so much more, even collinear points. So let's get into today's video. So when we're talking about the Cartesian plane in coordinate geometry, so the position of a point in a plane can be given by a set of ordered pairs, which can be x, y, represented in this fashion. Now, these are called Cartesian coordinates of the point. So this name came from a French mathematician called René Descartes. So the coordinates measure either the displacement of the point of origin of the two axes on the Cartesian plane. Now, we have O as the origin on the Cartesian plane. So let me show you what I am talking about. So when we have this Cartesian plane, so what we need to know is this line represents the y-axis. Then this line represents the x-axis. So the numbers on the y-axis on the top part are positive numbers, while the bottom part are negative numbers. Then on the x-axis, the numbers on the right hand side are positive, then the numbers on the left hand side are negative. Now we see there is 0 here, so 0 is always the origin of the Cartesian plane. Now if we have a set of coordinates, let's say we have a set of coordinates 4, 3, and we have a set 3, 4. So you have to note these two sets of coordinates are not the same, because in this first one over here, 4 is the x coordinate and then 3 is the y coordinate. We always start with the x coordinate before the y coordinate. So here, the x coordinate is 3 and 4 is the y coordinate. So now we have to note this. The x coordinate may be sometimes known as the abscissa, while the y coordinate can be known as the ordinate. Now, when we're plotting these on the graph, we have to note this. So we have 4, 3. So when we're plotting, we always have to start from our x-axis. So we have 4. 4 is over here and 3 is over here. So if we plot 4, 3, it would give us like this until the two coordinates intersect. So this point over here shall be 4, 3. So let me rearrange that. So over here it will be 4, 3. And then we had 3, 4. So 3, 4 will be like this over here. So here it will be 3, 4. So those are our two sets of plotted coordinates. So if we have this question, plot on the graph triangle ABC where A is 2, 3, B is negative 3, 1, and C is 0, 1. So let's try answering this question before we conclude today's video. As I said, this is just an introduction to coordinate geometry. In the next videos, we're going to be looking at the midpoint, distance between 2 points, and so much more. So let's try solving this question. So the first coordinate I gave you was 2, 3 as our A. So we're going to have 2 all the way, 3, which will be here. Then I gave you negative 3, 1. So we'll come here on the x-axis. Negative 3, 1, it shall be there. That will be B. Then we had 0, 1. So 0 is here. Then 1 will be 0 is here. Then 1 will be here. So our 0, 1 will be like that. And then we're going to say that's our C. And then now we're going to join these 3 points. So it will give us something like that. So that is our plotted triangle. Thank you for watching today's video. Don't forget to check out these other recommended videos you can watch. And we'll see you more. And we're going to see the next videos in future time. So bye for now. I'll see you in the next video more on coordinate geometry.